morning students, all of you. Students, in previous lecture we study about the block number 5 in subject maths. So my dear students, in block number 5 we study in the first lesson time to the 5 minutes. Means that the minute hand transfer from one number to the another number, they covered the 5-minute distance. They covered the 5 minutes, and after the one circle is completed by the minute hand, so 1 hour is completed. So it is clear that the 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes from the minute card are traveling from 12 to the next in a circle. They go to the 12. So it is completed the one circle in a wall hand, and the 1 hour is formed. Means that the 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes. Okay. So my dear students, today we will learn about the lesson number 2. So the lesson name is time to the minute. Time to the minute. Means that today we will learn about the time to the minute. So let's start the lesson number 2. First upon I read the lesson and then we solve it. Okay. It takes 60 minutes for the minute hand and to go around a clock once. A set of small marking between the numbers on the clock shows a 1 minute. See here, it takes 60 minutes for the 1 minute hand to go around the clock once. Suppose this is a clock, here the 12, 6, here the 3 and here the 9. So suppose the minute hand is completed the one circle in the wall hand clock. So completed the 1 hour or 60 minutes. Means that it is clear that the 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes. Okay. Then next, each set of small marking between the number on the clock shows 1 minute. Means that suppose here the 4 and here the 3. Okay. So between 3 and 4 shows the small markings, and if this minute hand is transferred to the slightly to the 1 point, then it covered the 1 minute. After this point they travel to the second point, then it covered to the next 1 minute or remaining two are the 2 minutes. Means that जे काही वॉच आहे, हे जे वॉल क्लॉक आहे, या वॉल क्लॉक मध्ये दोन नंबरच्या मध्ये ज्या लाईन्स किंवा पॉइंट्स आहेत छोटे छोटे, त्या पॉइंट्स मध्ये जर मिनिट हँड एका पॉइंटने पुढे गेला तर तो काय करतो, 1 मिनिट कंप्लीट करतो. A set of small marking between the numbers on the clock shows 1 minute. There are 5 minutes between each set of marking. Means that here suppose the 11 and here the 12. So between 11 and 12 there are the how many marking? So there are 5 markings. So there are 5 minutes between the set of marking. Means that these markings are in number of 5 and they completed the 5 minutes. Okay. Then there are 5 minutes between each set of marking. To find the time to the nearest minute, count by 5s to the number just before the minute hand one and then count minute by minute. Means that suppose 3 from here the जर हा मिनिट काटा इथं आला तर इथं 1 minute, परत इथं आला तर 2 minute, 3, 4 and then 5 minute and 4 is comes. Okay, after the 5 minutes. Means that the between two numbers the period is of the 5 minutes. Then next, count by 5s to the number just before the minute hand and then count the minute by minute. The hour hand will point past the number of the hour. The hour hand will point past the number of the hour. So what is it? What time is it on the clock? So here give the short hand or hour hand on the 5 and minute hand between the 2 and 3. So like the point number 3 means that the 12 to 1 5 minutes, 1 to 2 10 minutes, and after 2 the minute hand is present on the third point, so there are the 3 minutes. So here given time is 5:30. So hour, find the number at just before hour and 5 minute, count by 5s and then by 1s, 5, 10, 11, 12 and 13. So look at on blackboard. इथं कसं टायमिंग दाखवलेलं आहे ते मी तुम्हाला एकदा शो करणार आहे. बघा, this is a wall hand. हा इथं wall hand दाखवलाय. Okay, and here they give the numbers 12, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 and 11. And here give the small hand on the number. Small hand is present on the number 5. Okay, is present on the number 5. Then the minute hand is present after the, suppose 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. अशा सगळ्या लाईन्स दिलेल्या आहेत, पॉइंट्स दिलेले आहेत. आणि जो मिनिट हँड आहे तो कुठे प्रेझेंट आहे, तर दिस इज अ 5 मिनिट्स, दिस इज अ 5 मिनिट्स. 5 plus 5, this is a 5 minutes, this is a 5 minutes. 5 plus 5 is equal to 10. And after the 2, here give the point on the 3. So 1, 2, 3. So it is a 3. So 10 plus 3 is equal to 13 minutes. So time is a 5 hours 13 minutes. Understand? Okay. So my dear students, let's start our question number 1. Question 1. Work in groups and show the time on a cardboard clock. Suppose this is a cardboard clock. Okay. This is a clock, and between this clock there are, in each clock here give the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The 5 minutes period is present, and the in the first A, so A question is the 7:23. 7:23. So 7 is a hours and 23 is a minutes. Already you know that because you study in a first lesson. Okay. So 7 hours. So we draw the hour hand on the 7 and minute hand on the 23. So suppose 12 to 1, 5, 10, 15, 20. And then here from to the 4, the time is a 20 minutes, and after that there is a 3. So we count the points 1, 2, 3. So here we draw the 23 minutes. So here we draw the minute hand 7:23. Understand? Then next question B. What is the question B? Question B is a 6:44. 6 hours 44 minutes. So already you know that the 6 is a hour. So we draw the hour hand on a 6. Then 44 is a minute. So we draw the 44 minutes. So let's start count. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40. And after the 40 we count the 4 points. 1, 2, 3, 4. So minute hand is present here. It is a 6:44. Understand? Then third time. We show the third time. Question number C. What is the question C? 11:29. So already you know that 11 is a hour and 29 is minute. So 11, we draw the hour hand on the 11, and 29 is a minute. So we count the minutes 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. and after the 25 we count the 4 points and then prepare the 29. 1 2 3 4. So like this 29. So time is 11 hours 29 minutes. Understand? So my dear students, today's homework of subject maths, solve the question number 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, thank you.